Hey, what's up? It's me again, Paolo. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, I haven't seen this in person. I've only watched reviews and unboxings online, and I haven't also seen the website. But the moment I saw the ad on Facebook or wherever I saw it, I knew I had to have it just because I wanted a vlogging camera with me at all times, as opposed to my phone, because sometimes it's hard to operate the phone while walking or while vlogging in general. And also sometimes DSLR cameras are just too big to put inside my bag, and I can't exactly bring them everywhere. That's why when I saw it, I knew I had to have it. Also, I bought this with my own money, so I'm gonna be unbiased. In the next videos, I'm gonna be showing you reviews. I'm gonna be reviewing this unit, and also I'm going to be comparing it to the GoPro Hero 7. So watch out for those. Anyway, let's start the unboxing. I got this from the Inbox store at SM Clark in Pampanga, so check out that store. I'm sure they have a test unit by now. Okay. By the way, shout out to Jiro. Thank you, Jiro. Okay. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay. So, the knife here. Not sure how exactly. I don't want to scratch the box. Plastic. I think it's paper. Slide ba? You know that new smell? New smell. New smell. Okay. Alright, so slides out. Paper. It's a warranty card. Probably need that for later. Okay, here we go. There it is. Very simple. We have the case here. The case, inside the case are the silica gel. Let's check this. Adapters. I think these are for connecting your mobile device. We have for the iPhone and for USB Type-C. And I think this is a charger, so it's good that it's Type-C, so I can use my other Type-C cords. Okay. Lanyard. And some manuals. Okay. So that's it. Yeah. And we have here the actual unit. I don't know if it's going to turn on, if it has juice. Let's see. Like I said, and I haven't. Okay, this comes off because you connect the adapter right here. So okay, probably best to remove the plastic. I'm gonna this one, plastic right here. Okay, good. So let's turn it on. Okay, first impressions. It's very small, but I feel that it's heavier than I expected. I mean, of course, it's gonna be, of course, it's gonna be a little heavy. It's not plastic. It's like premium plastic over here. The gimbal feels metal because it feels cold, but it feels compact. So when I imagine myself like, You know, hey, what's up? Welcome to my blah blah blah. See, and there are only 2 buttons here, which tells me that it's gonna be really really simple to operate. What else? There's the LCD right here. This one. I didn't expect it to be really really small. I mean, it's really really small. So I'm sure that I have bad eyes. So if I go like this, it's gonna be hard for me to see if I'm in focus or whatever's in frame. But at least I have some idea instead of Okay, the buttons are a bit rubbery. The texture here is kind of a rubber feel, so feels nice to hold. And basically, that's it. There's a SD card slot here, so right now I'm gonna get my SD card and then I'm gonna. Okay, let's test. Let's try and putting it inside. Yep. So when I'm gonna let's see if. Let's do the pocket test because it's a Osmo Pocket. So I have my cell phone here. So pocket test. Yeah. See, it's my pocket. Osmo Pocket. Right. Good. Okay. So comparing it to my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, it's way small, but it's of course thicker. And what else? Right now I'm gonna try. Try and just connect it. I still don't have the app yet. You need to download the new DJI app so you can connect this to the phone. So I'm gonna remove this, and then I'm gonna. You can it can go both ways. Right, yep, like that, or like that. It's tight. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but it's kind of tight. There. You hear a very faint click when you push it all the way. You know? You hear that? Okay. So if I connect it like this, see, I can hold it like this, or or like this, or like that. There. Okay. I'm gonna try and put some juice on this. You can connect the portable battery, portable power bank, and the USB-C, and it's charging. Yeah. So I'm gonna give it a few seconds before I turn it on. Okay, let's try. Pa rin. Bakit yung on? Putang ina yung pala yung on. So you turn it on with this button. Okay, so if you want to pack this away, just push it right there. So it's kind of very nice design feature right there. So anyway, let's try and turn it on so we could see what happens. So I was trying to turn it on earlier using this button. Apparently it's not the on button. This is the on button. So the button on the right. So okay. Try and turn it on. Cool. Okay. So I'm gonna set it up real quick and then okay, let's set it up right now. So English. You need to activate the device first. So it has juice. It has around 2 bars. But okay, so I need to activate this because it says that it's not activated. Anyway, that is it for this video for now, because I want to be able to give you a really nice review, a long, real-world, hands-on review about this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you watch the other videos, and let me know if you want me to test any feature or test anything you want me to test with this. Let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Activate natin.